Say Cam.
I'm not home.
Yeah, Louis, you have to stay here.
Alright, Cam. You stay here.
Dad, I opened the door. Maybe Lonnie can make sure he doesn't go.
Yeah, okay, go. Hang on, wait. Louis, can you call him back?
Wait.
Go, Daddy. Hi guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back.
Ta-da!
It is the 3rd of March and
My birthday tomorrow.
so today is Ate Paris' last day as a 5-year-old. Tomorrow she's gonna be 6. Oh my goodness. Hi.
I mean, banana.
Yeah. Come here, baby girl. I told you to come here. Good morning. Good morning.
Lonnie. On the channel.
May lakad tayo today. Pupunta tayo ng $2 shop kasi bukas, kasi Monday, hindi namin celebrate yung birthday ni Ate Paris with her friends. So, yung celebration niya is on the 9th, which is next Saturday. So, ngayon, punta kami ng $2 shop para bumili ng panglagay namin sa party bags niya. And, pupunta kami malapit sa Bunnings kasi we'll go get, thing daddy? Sausage?
Yeah.
So, here's our outfit for today's video. Good morning sa is it still morning? I don't know. Kasi kanina, lumabas sa Daddy Mike, hindi ko na namalayan ng oras. Ay, ano bang oras? Hala, where is my phone?
Look at your mouth.
Yeah, I must have left it in the house.
Yeah.
So here's our...
Mommy's made a meal of it.
Yeah! Yeah, put them in, Bob. I'm gonna go get my phone.
Hi guys. So we are going to Rebels now, and you can see we're at Kmart. This is Kmart. So like, it's just outside of Kmart, and there's a lot of shops. That was exciting. It's my birthday tomorrow. Now we're going to Rebels. Here, we are inside Rebels. And then we'll see you later. Daddy, this time you're fried. I'll try to wait so you can
Dribble, dribble, dribble.
Look at this.
Good girl.
Monster. Mommy,
Where are you going?
I'm gonna call Daddy.
Daddy? Little girl! Where are you going? Huh? Your daddy? Where is your daddy? Where's daddy?
A few moments later.
We're getting shampoo for Louis. And, oh goodness, mas mahal pa pala yung shampoo niya. Mas mahal pa yung shampoo niya sa akin, guys. See? Shampoo for dogs is $30. Yung sa akin ay $5 lang.
Louis, and it's cold, yeah?
Wow. Look at this. If you want the big one, it's freaking $62. Crazy.
Look! I found the angler. Angler.
Yes, baby. Oh wow, that is so cute. Look at that. Whitening shampoo, Daddy.
Oh, yeah?
Whitening shampoo.
This scary. Which dog do you like? I like this one and that one. This scary.
That's scary.
Shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, happy with this one?
Is this cow ear as well?
Cow. Yeah.
Both?
Yeah, there's a cow.
Oh, have a look at my, ano sila niyo, my box.
You happy with this?
Beautifully. Deodorizing spray. Tingnan niyo. Brush la, diba? One missing bristle.
Mama, Mommy, I want to show you something. Mama,
Shampoo. What else? Dog chews. And yeah. Waist bag refills. You really need that one. Cool. Alright, let's go, girls.
exactly how we
Dito, next door lang. Hindi, ay two doors.
Yeah, that's exactly how we
Yes. Punta kami ng $2 shop. Oh, look at this. So cute. Come on, palangka. Louie. Come on, palangka. Give it to daddy.
Thank you for the Calvia. That's also for Louis and has been a good boy. Is that after mommy?
No. Look at this. Turbo napkin. Look at this. Ano?
I'm not sure.
Oh, we need cup. Some. Oh, yeah. Some lang.
What's your should I get?
Maybe we need more napkins.
Mama, can I just get
Oh, actually,
anything?
no, we have napkins at home.
Mommy, I'll find these. No, you don't need that now. No. Okay, get that.
Sinumbaga mo ah.
Anyways, it's for birthday.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy one.
Yeah.
There are these birthday tags.
Oh, what's that? Candle.
There's a birthday cakes. There's a birthday cake.
Oh, that's a grab. Here you go.
Why are you laughing like noodle?
When are you going for a swim?
Still no fun about the gym.
Ah, yeah.
Actually,
Why, you bring it all the time?
Bob, I always use that noodle at the gym. At the pool.
Come on, we're gonna go to Bunnings, guys. We're gonna get some sausages. Get the water, Bob. Bring that, bring that bag, please.
Why?
Because it's easier to carry everything in there.
Louis will be keen as for that bloody pigsy, won't he?
Ow.
Sungaris miscellanea. Oh yay! Come with daddy. Come here. Ayan si daddy, guys. Oh, bili kami ng sausage.
You know my favorite sauce is barbecue sauce. That's my favorite. It's my favorite sauce. Like the ones that are on pizza.
That's yummy too. Come on, so when daddy comes back, you nearly finish yours.
What's that doing?
Daddy went inside Bunnings. And do you like sauce, Lang? Wow. Yummy. That's a big bite. Mama.
Egg sauce.
Huh? Enjoy well, okay? It's now 3 o'clock ng hapon, guys, at nagsistart na tayo makatanggap ng mga messages from the parents ng mga in-invite natin. So, earlier today, may nag-message na, yeah, they're coming, and just now, may nag-message na hindi sila makakapunta. Because, yeah, as mentioned, guys, alam nyo na, busy yung mga tao dito, and weekend lamang na gagawa yung mga, mga bagay-bagay. Ate, what are you doing? So, ang ating baby Celine ay nakatulog sa sasakyan kasi nap time niya. I carried her sa bedroom and she kept sleeping. So now, we're just going to show you, Ate Paris and I, yung mga napamili natin from the $2 shop na hindi naman lahat $2. $2 shop ang talaga yung tawag sa kanila kasi cheaper yung kanilang mga presyuhan. So first, get your the bangko, the chair. Get your chair so you can sit next to Mama. So we've got this first. So ito yung ating piñata. So we'll put the candies inside and then we'll bunal it like this, guys. And then yeah, mag-showering na lang dito ang mga candies. And that's it. This is very fun actually. My birthday party.
That's my favorite part of my birthday.
Yeah.
And cake.
And maybe I'll get Ate Paris to show this to you. And you see? There you go. And Mama will help you put away.
So first, I got these cups. They're so beautiful. And I think we got more in here.
So ito sila, guys. 8-pack. And that's for $3. And this is unicorn.
And then we got different types of cups. So we got this animal one. We got those unicorn ones. We also have some party hats. These are so nice. I haven't seen these. Whatever this is for. So look at this. They're so nice. I like them. Now, I'll just put it there, Mommy, on the table. And we also got some more party hats. They're same. And that's a lot of party hats. We got more party hats. It's time for the party bag stuff. We got these little bongs charms. These are so nice. We got some more in here, which is just in here. Got 2 packs.
I'm gonna put everything here. I mean these ones, you know, the one that we're going to use when you get there. But these ones, ito yung pang party bag.
We're gonna leave those ones out because we're gonna do party bags now. And for our party, we also have these little wooden spoons.
Oh yeah, we can put it here. Get everything that needs to be taken to the...
We also got these little fun fidgets.
Oh, we already have this one, 24 plates.
I know. I told you that. We also got these little fidget toys. They're so fun. They got little bowls and they can roll them around inside the one. What is this? We also got some popcorn. I can't put down away because if I just throw it, it will be...
This is the rainbow popcorn, guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh, diba?
More popcorn. I'll try this one because that's crazy. Wait. Also got... Mama, what is this one? Party bags.
That is the party bag. Keep it outside.
Because we're gonna do party bags.
Ayan. Ito yung pinili ko. It's another party bag. This is unicorn. Yung gusto niya to Paris ay ito.
Napkins. You're right, got napkins in that one.
Yeah.
Just more napkins. Just in case. These little spinners, they're so cool. I really, really love the pink, the orange and the pink ones because they are my favorite colors. Oh. Same thing, plate and napkins again. That's a lot of plates and napkins. That's a lot. More. That's a lot of plates now. We also got these little blowers. I love the red ones and the gold ones. I like all of them. We also got these candies. There's so much. We can't carry this thing.
That's the one you put in the piñata.
I'll try this in here. And then we'll show the piñata last.
I already did.
Oh. And we also got these strings. So guys, on my birthday, we just spray it all around and then I'll make little strings. So I'm gonna add this in here. also got this for the piñata.
No, put that in the party bag.
Oh yeah. I'll wait for Alvin.
You happy with what you've got? Yes? Alright, so ito ang aming i-organize ngayon. So we'll make at least 20, yeah? 20 party bags. So we'll see.
Do you wanna help us?
Guys, do you wanna help us? Answer.
So guys, you don't have to like put the stuff. You can just watch us. Can they?
Yeah. You're
Yay!
welcome.
So guys, you can watch us. I'm gonna do these animal ones first.
Now, we have to segregate this first lang. So like make a thing, you know?
So like a lion enemy stuff from the first thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ayan yung ginawa namin, guys. Oh, diba? Yung ganito, yung iba. Merong wala. Lagyan pa namin to ng iba mamaya. Kasi ito lang yung mga napamili namin. So later, babalik ako ng shop.
Guys, now we've got all our stuff separated. And I'm on my second party bag. I'll do this one in front of me. So I just
And then we'll add maybe more candy. Kasi mga laruan dito. Tapos may isang lollipop. You can add candy kasi may candy pa rin kami. You know, 6 years ago, today, Daddy and Mommy went to the hospital because Mommy's tummy was already hurting. And then we went to the hospital, and the hospital said, you go home because Paris is not coming out as yet. But, so we went home, Daddy and I went home that day. That's 6 years ago today, and Mommy stayed inside the bath because I was in pain. My tummy was really hurting, so from the hospital straight home in the bath, and I had like water running in my tummy, and you were in my tummy. And then the next day, that's when the morning we went to the hospital because I couldn't take it anymore. And that's when I had you. Push you out. Like poop. That's why you smell like a poop. This way! Dala namin si Louie dito sa baba, guys. Kasi maghahang kami ng mga tuwalya dyan para maka, din siya. Ang haplang-hap din ng sariwang hangin. Come here! Louie! Louie! This way! Come! This way! This way! Ano, malaki na siya, guys, oy. Tignan nyo ang kanyang, yung kanyang balahibo. Hey! This way!
No.
We can go opposite. We have to hang the clothes first. Come, help me! Come! Louie!
No.
Louie! Ay, gahi. Mangkay kag kalimpatakan dong.
No.
Tumakbo si Louie papuntang stairs, guys. Ate Paris nagpanik sa niya. Lini, come on. Louie, did Ate call you Lini? Buang mo ni Ate.
You look like Lainey. So cute.
Look, Ate's there, see? Go, Ate, loud.
Auntie! Auntie!
Mukha niya Lini, guys.
Auntie!
Uy! Nakatulog kasi kanina. So, yung daddy niya, tsaka yung ate niya nag-grocery shopping. Pinick up namin.
Love you.
I like our fire.
Look at that trick.
Where's Ati? Somewhere there. No.
I check my sleeping.
You don't need. See you, honey? Because Ati's coming now. Ate! Ati's coming in. Call lagi Ati.
Ati,
Si Ati Paris.
where's Ati? Where's Ati?
Ate! Come na!
What?
Where did you go before Ati?
Coast.
No, before Coles.
No what?
Yes, you did. You went somewhere.
Kaya Serbia.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Did you go to Comsley?
I check. Let me choose anything.
Yeah. What did you drink?
Coke.
Wow.
I think mommy's Coke Zero. Coke Zero. Daddy,
Let's go.
I think mommy's Coke.
Good job.
That's number Coke.
Was Louis happy to see you when you woke up, Leanie?
Yeah.
Did Louis bite you?
Yeah, on my hand.
You put your hand?
Yeah.
No, good boy.
No. There. And there. And
No.
my there.
And my there. The arm. The arm.
Lady, why are you wearing my watch? That's mine.
Not yours anymore, Ate. Linis now.
You snooze, you lose, Ati.
What? 3 minutes. What?
Few minutes.
3 minutes mine.
Look at the minutes. What's the time, Lynn?
2 minutes.
You're smelly bum, Louis. Did he poop? Why is he wet?
Did it weird. Because
Oh, that water there.
Yeah, and the wood is still. That's a bad thing. That one in the water.
So we're having patatas. You know what this in Tagalog in Bisaya?
Died us.
Patatas.
I need ours. I need ours.
Lutuin natin to siya, guys, sa air fryer. Tapos, lagyan ng duck fat. Alam niyo ba, nung nasa Melbourne pa kami, every time na binibisita namin yung lula at saka lolo ni Daddy Mike, ito yung ginagawa niya. And I'm in love with it, guys. Kaya ngayon, ginagaya ko na siya. Hi, Nan! I'm doing the potato with the duck fat. Kasi, yun yung nakaka-crispy ba sa kanya. Apparently, it's not healthy. Is it, Daddy?
chicken's for you.
But it's yummy. Lagay lang siya sa air fryer, guys. But I think, ano ba katagal nilagay ko? 15 minutes? What are you having?
Doritos.
Doritos.
I love Doritos. I love Doritos. And my favorite chips.
You gonna have to na lang? You're gonna bath Louis.
Lenny, what's this? What is that?
Okay. I want the little.
Lenny.
I like them. I like that yummy bears. It's your yummy bears.
Drink.
And that yummy bears. What color?
Huh?
What color the dog?
Some people live
Oh,
for a power.
what's good? Louis, where's your boy? Where's your ear?
Some think the basic counting divine.
Good boy, good boy.
Yes. Softly.
We're in the bed now, and it's 6 o'clock. Well, 6 years old. Tomorrow is my birthday. And I just got present and card. So good night.
When you wake up tomorrow, you'll be 6 years old.
Never 5 again.
Never 5 again. Yeah.
I bet if I'm 15, because I'll have a 5 in it.
Yes. You're getting bigger, my love. Baby's in no sleep. You're gonna go to sleep as well because we have school tomorrow.
And birthday.
I can't believe you're 6 tomorrow, baby. I told Paris she's always be my baby even when she's 60 years old. Love you.
Love you.